Good morning, children. How are you all? So nice to hear from you all that you all are fine. Very good. So, this is English for class 8. Children, what is today's topic? Yes, you got it right. Preposition. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with some other word in the sentence. So remember that, children? Okay, once again, what is a preposition? It is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. Noun, you know, name of person, place or thing. What is a pronoun, children? A word used in place of a noun. See, Ram went to school. Ram is studying hard. No, Ram went to school. He is studying hard. So the word Ram, which is a noun, is replaced by a pronoun he. Okay, children? Okay, and this is done to show relation with some other word in the sentence. Yes, children. So you remember this, huh? It is used to show its relation, okay, with some other word in the sentence. Now, see, some sentences I have for you, children. He works hard in the hope of standing first. We met at night. So, in the preposition, first sentence, in is the preposition. Second sentence, preposition, come on, tell me at. The book is on the table. It shows the place on. We stay at home during the holidays. I will be there by 10 o'clock. It has rained for 3 hours. He pointed to the tree. Okay. In the above sentences, the italicized words in, at, on, by, for, and to are prepositions. The nouns that come after them are called their objects. Thus, hope is the object of in, home is the object of at, holidays is the object of during, 10 is the object of by, hours is the object of for, and tree is the object of to. The prepositions are what? The prepositions generally serve 3 important purposes. What are these purposes? Let's have a look, children. Indication of time, place as a part of the verb. Okay, the preposition indicating time. Let's have a look at this. So, preposition indicating time. Time is indicated mainly by at, on, in, during, by, and for. At. At is used for a point in time. We shall meet at 6 o'clock. He came at midnight. It is used for a point in time. Similarly, at dawn, at sunset, at the end, at the beginning, etc. So, it is used for a point in time. At is used before festivals. We have a holiday at Diwali, at Holi, at Christmas, at New Year, etc. So, before festivals, also at is used. Remember that, children. On. On is used for a particular day, whether it is a date. Example, 5th June, Feb 14th, a day. Okay, Monday or a special day. So, on is used for a particular part of such days as described above. I will come on the night of 10th July. We will meet on Friday afternoon. Okay, next, in. In is used before a period of time in the winter, in July, in the year so and so, in the morning, in the evening. I first met him in 2005. Cricket is played in India in winter. In is also used to show the total length of time taken to complete an activity or operation. This train will get you from Delhi to Chandigarh in 4 hours. Okay, next we have during. When an action or a situation continues for some time, during is used before that specified period. We enjoyed ourselves during the vacation. People work during the day. By is used to denote the ultimate point by which something was or is to be completed. I have to complete the work by Monday. Then the application should reach by 14th February. So look at that, children. Look at that. By is used with day and night. It means during. He traveled by day and slept by night. Okay, next, for. For is used before a time phrase to denote that so much time has passed during which an action or a situation continued. I have not seen him for 2 years. We waited for an hour, but he didn't turn up. Important points, children, to remember. The prepositions at, on, and in are not used if the noun giving time has an adjective with it. He met me last Sunday. We will come again next Diwali. We go for a walk every morning. I will be 20 next June. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow do not take a preposition. I will come again tomorrow. You met me yesterday. So before yesterday, today, tomorrow, we do not use a preposition. Okay, I haven't solved example for you, exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Okay, the first question, Diwali is dash 10th November. Second one, Gandhiji lived dash the English rule. Come on, answer these questions, children. Fill in with what? Prepositions, appropriate prepositions. Come on, write the answers. Gandhiji was born dash 1869 and died dash 30th January 1948. Okay, we move on to the fifth question, children. I will call you at your house sometime dash evening. Shankar's birthday is dash 3rd March. The train leaves Delhi dash 3 p.m. and reaches Chandigarh 7 p.m. He should be here dash now. Then look at the 9th question. Then 10th also, children. Okay, so once again the questions, please note down. Are you noting down? And are you filling in with correct prepositions? Okay. Have you completed this exercise? Shall I give out the answers to you now, children? Okay, come on. Check whether you got it right or not. In case there's a mistake, please do the correction, children. Okay, now we'll have a look at the answers now. Check, come on. So 10 questions. Here are the answers. Now, children, on, first one is on, second, during, third, by or before, both are correct. Fourth, in or on, both correct. Fifth one, in. Sixth is on. Seventh is at. Both the blanks at. By, on. The next one, on, at. Did you get it right? Very good, children. We'll move on to the next exercise. Okay, children? Come on, here we go. Filling the blanks with prepositions in the following sentences. You must reach their dash weekend. The robbers entered the house dash the night. The exhibition will be open dash 10 a.m. dash Friday. There are 2 blanks here for this particular question. Okay, the next one. The interested candidates should report for interview latest dash 3rd June 2007. He came to my house dash my absence. The examinations will commence dash April 1 dash 9 a.m. Okay, the next one, send your reply dash March 3rd, the latest. Next one, children, we are having a variety show dash Saturday. Are you coming to see us dash Diwali? A gale got up dash night and did much damage. So once again, I'll show you the questions. Try to write the answers, children, okay? So, have a look at the questions once again, children, for your convenience. Are you noting down? Very good. Come on, try answering these questions with appropriate prepositions. Are you noting down, children? Very good. Filling the blanks. Come on, hurry up, children. Should not take much time. Okay, now I'll show you the answers. Check whether you got the answers correct or not. Okay, now let's have a look at the answers, children. Look at this, children. First answer by, second is during, third at, on. Fourth is by, fifth is in, sixth on, at. That means first blank on, the next blank at. Seventh by, eighth on, ninth at, 10th at. Come on. If you have not got it correct, if there's a mistake or an error, kindly do the corrections, children, so that you learn. So, are you done with this? Okay, children, we'll move on to the next. B, indicating place. Residence, that's countries, towns, etc. When the reference is general, use in, many people live in cities, villages, suburbs, deserts, etc. He lives but, he lives at the seaside, he lives on an island. Note, please note, 1. Village, suburb, desert, country and town are imagined as closed entities, and hence the preposition in, that is inside, is used. Okay, because it is closed entity. Now, on the other hand, seaside means near the sea. Right? Right, children? And hence the preposition at. Island is imagined as something open, wide, and so the preposition on is used. Children, did you get it? Come on, read it once again and note down. I'll give you time for doing that. Very important, children. Please note down. Okay, residence, houses, etc. For general reference, use in. I live in a small house. She lives in a bungalow. Do you live in a flat or in a mansion? For a house with a name or address, use at. Mrs. Gandhi lives at 10 Janpat. For the names of streets and roads, use in. He lives in Mayur Vihar. For roads and all that, you have to use in. Now, place of work. Let's see. Place of work. If it is a building, use in. His father works in a bank. But in case of the place of work is not a building. In case it is not a building, use on. Ram works on a farm. It's not a building. Yes, it's an open area. So, on a farm. If the name of the place of work is given, he works at the public library. For a particular department, use in. He is a teacher in the department of English. Okay, I have another exercise for you children. Shall we do it? Okay, very good. So, let's begin children. Supply the correct preposition in the following. Again, you have to fill in the blanks with correct preposition. So, let's do it. Does he live dash the town or dash the country? This is all about place children. So, remember the rule. Have you lived dash Karkoda long? I have always wanted to live dash a bungalow. Mr. Sharma lives dash model town dash Delhi. The children, first you have to read the rule or the rules and then fill in the blanks. You'll not go wrong. Did you get my point? Very good. So we move on to the next one children. He lives dash 194 Kalibari, Kolkata. My father works dash an office. My uncle lives dash a mansion. Dash a village a few miles from Mumbai. Okay, then we move on to the next one children. So look at the questions children. Come on, try answering them. James was brought up dash a farm, but at the age of 11 he was sent to work a small town. His father is the manager dash the local bank. How long have you been dash Delhi? Come on, are you writing? Once again, I'll show you all the questions. Are you noting down? Please write down the answers also, filling the blanks with prepositions, children. Are you writing? Very good, children. Very good. Come on, write. Okay, very good. So, how many questions are there, children? You have 10 questions. Right, children? Have you noted down all the 10 questions, children? Very good. Come on, write down the answers now, children. Yes, again I'm showing you the questions. See that? Come on, now write down the answers. Okay, 10 questions. Now here are the answers. Come on, check whether you got the answers, whether you got all the answers correct or not. In, both the blanks. In, at, in, fifth answer at, sixth in, seventh in, at, eighth at, in, ninth in, 10th in. Come on. Note down in case you have got it wrong, any blank, please do the correction so that you learn. Okay, now we'll move on to the next exercise, children. Okay, fill in the blanks with proper prepositions from the box. Okay, see. Besides, between, among, since, for, by, with. Okay, so shall we begin the exercise? Okay, very good. Now, he was standing dash her. I write dash a pen. I have not seen him dash he left for England. Now the fourth one, it has been raining hard dash the last 3 days. Okay, now we move on to the fifth one. Children, India beat Bangladesh dash an innings. Distribute the fruit dash the students. The two friends will settle it dash them. Dash being a teacher, he is also a poet. Once again, would you like to see the questions? Okay, here are the questions for you children. You have to choose the right word for filling in the blank space there. Okay, so how many questions do you have children? Yes, 8. Okay, now here are the answers children. Check whether you got all the answers correct or not. Beside, with, since, for, by, among, between, besides. I hope you got all the answers correct children. Okay, very good. We move on to the next. So, one more exercise for you. Correct the following sentences. The interview will be held between 2 to 4 p.m. The house was beside the river. I have been waiting here since 2 hours. He walked across the park among the flower beds. I shall be there on 4 p.m. at Friday. So there's some error in the sentence. Find out what's the error and then do the correction children. Okay, have you noted down? Okay, start doing the corrections now. He fell in the well. He sat upon a chair. He jumped on the horse. The land was ploughed by the help of a tractor. So, check whether you got the answers correct or not. Okay, here are the answers, children. The interview will be held from 2 to 4 p.m. The house was beside the river. I have been waiting here for 2 hours. He walked across the park between the flower beds. He was killed with an axe. I shall be there at 4 p.m. on Friday. He fell into the well. He sat in a chair. He jumped upon the horse. The land was ploughed with the help of a tractor. So again, look at the answers, children. In case there's an error, please do the correction, children. So, have you noted down? Very good, children. Rewrite the following into meaningful sentences. This type you get in the examination. Correct, children? Okay. Now, the next one. Note down. So, 5 questions. Now, here are the answers for you, children. Look at the answers, children, and check whether you got them all right. I like to spend the winter in the town and summer in the country. How long have you lived in Sonpat? She always thought she would like to live in a bungalow. He lives in Baker Street while his father lives at Seaside. He works in a bank and his father on a farm. Did you get the answers correct, children? Very good.